Tega pa ne bi vedela, kaj je drevesni koncert.
Ne, nimam pojma. Vem, kaj z drevesi verjetno.
Ja, si ne predstavljam, ne vem.
Go 2025. Gremo brezmejno.
Jaz ne slišim nič. Ne slišim tukaj koncerta. Marcus, hi!
Katja, hey!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where is the concert for the ECOC, the tree concert we were talking about?
Yeah, this is not yet. We have still 1 year until we start with this concert.
Okay.
It's in May next year, in 2025.
I'm early.
It's too early, 1 year too early.
I'm 1 year too early. But I was looking forward to this. Tell me, how will this happen? Do musicians will be hanging out of the trees, or how will you produce this music?
No, they will be not even here.
Okay.
We record them in the studio, but these recordings we put into the trees. And you download the app and you see a grey orchestra. Each instrument is grey, but you need to activate every instrument. Before you have to find every instrument.
Oh.
So you go through this forest and you have to be very aware to see signs, little signs. And if you see a sign which is telling you this is a tree, like an oak tree from California, you go to this sign and you scan with your phone this barcode.
Very modern approach.
And then,
great.
And when you have scanned this barcode, congratulations, you found the clarinets, for example, or the French horns.
So I will hear the music then when I upload that code?
Yeah, to listen to the complete orchestra, you need to find all the instruments. They are hidden in this park.
Okay.
So you have to walk through the park and you see where can I find the next instrument. There is a code. You scan it and then maybe you find the double basses.
So the forest correlated with orchestra, different trees, different tree kinds. The trees are like migrants. They're not originally here. This forest contains very specific species.
Yeah.
So like the orchestra, I think you found this correlation also here, right?
This is a nice idea. Exactly. The trees comes from around the world. They were collected. They are very, very valuable. And the musicians of the Dresden Sinfonica also come from different countries together for our projects. And this is a nice idea. I didn't have this thought before.
But you met me.
It's a good idea.
Thank you, Marcus, very much. We are looking forward to see and hear this concert. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Od drevesnega koncerta pa naravnost v 70. Ko so po novogoriških ulicah vozile stoenke in fičkoti, mlado mesto pa je imelo komaj 30 let. In počitnikovali smo v Adrijinih prikolicah. In prav Adrijina prikolica bo glavna zvezda dodekalogije, ki jo pripravlja Tomi Janežič. Kakšno vlogo ima ta Adrijina prikolica?
Veliko zgodb iz tega obdobja je povezanih z Adrijino prikolico. Adrijina prikolica je skoraj sinonim za 70. leta in zgodnja 80. leta, s katerimi se ukvarja dodekologija. Gre za 12 predstav, ki naj bi se prikazovale mesečno skozi vse naslednje leto in nastajajo v tujini, v Temišvaru, v Ivano-Frankivsku, v Novem Sadu, v Ljubljani in tudi tukaj v Novi Gorici. Ampak prva predstava pa naj bi se zgodila z to Adrijino prikolico, ki potem tudi spremlja celo dodekologijo, ki je v bistvu tudi zgodba o tej prikolici. Skozi letnice od 72 do 83, to so v bistvu leta, ki sem jih jaz preživel tukaj v Novi Gorici.
In prav ta leta, pravite, so zaznamovala vaše nadaljne delo, Cankarjeva, pogled na stadion. Zakaj?
V bistvu ta dodekalogija je, predvsem ni zdaj moja zgodba, ker je tukaj zgodb ogromno. In zgodbe predvsem, ki se ne tičejo samo tistih let, ampak se vlečejo skozi celo stoletje. In ko sem se seveda začel posvečati tistemu obdobju odraščanja v tem mestu, sem v bistvu ugotovil, da sem na nek način v predstavah v glavnem uporabljal elemente, ki sem jih srečal v tem zgodnjem otroštvu. No? In sem pol, tako kot ste me opozorili na tiskovki, rekel, da se v bistvu mogoče od te Cankarjeve sploh nisem premaknil tam, kjer sem preživel 12 let. Na nek način precej redko zahajam v Novo Gorico, čeprav imam zelo lepe spomine. Sam pri sebi tako sem vesel, da sem iz teh krajev. No? Tako da je res nekaj dragocenega, posebnega to zame.
Najlepša hvala za te utrinke. Z veseljem in komaj čakamo te predstave, ki nam bodo tudi odškrnile nekaj pogledov na tiste čase, ki se jih nekateri tudi spominjamo.
Radio Rubin.